Hey guys, how you doing? Mowers and Blowers here again. I'm here to pick up a free mower. Guy said just come and pick it up. Saw my ad on Craigslist. And it's a Craftsman, big wheel. And I'll just take it and put it in my car. I hope the guy comes out. I want to thank him. You know? Love people that come and people just call me and say, hey, I got a mower. Come pick it up. Be happy to do it. I've worked on this many times. Shouldn't be too hard to get it going. It's like just the... actually, I don't see anything wrong with it. Well, it's in pretty good shape. I mean, I could just see just from there, it probably needs a carb clean. It looks really dusty and stuff. Probably just doesn't start. But the Recoil starter looks okay. Break this on. You know, I'll take this home. What's up, guys? Mowers and Blowers here again. Got a text from this guy who answered my ad on Craigslist, you know. If you're throwing away your lawnmower, don't throw it away. Give me a call. I'll come get it right away. So sure enough, I went and got it, and this was sitting on his driveway. Just go ahead and take it. Looks complete. Has a bagger. It's a big wheel in the back. Craftsman, 21-inch, regular push mower, 6.5 horsepower. It's got the Briggs engine, and looks like the issue is probably a Recoil starter. As long as you see the rope sitting there like that. So I'm going to take out the top cowling and check out what's up. Looks like whoever put this back on, obviously you're not supposed to take this off because it was riveted originally to the Briggs & Stratton engine cover. So they obviously did try to fix the Recoil starter. Probably did, you know, because it feels like it's okay, you know. However, the bolts don't fit the cover because they're supposed to be riveted, and that's why it's not catching the cup for the flywheel. So I'm gonna have to take off move the gas tank to the side and take the engine cover off and loosen these screws and put some smaller screws in there so that this is closer and tighter to the engine cover than it is. See right here? It's just too loose for it to even catch onto the cup, so that's the problem. Push the gas tank to the sides here, remove the screws to the engine cover. And there it is right there. This wasn't even attached, you know. And it looks like the dude tried to put some kind of silicone on it. That's crazy, man. Silicone. It's not gonna work. Anyway, I'm gonna figure out a way to get this screwed on there. I was actually lucky. I had another Recoil starter that was the same exact one. However, the front part here was all messed up. So I made these brackets here that would go in there, and made these brackets so the screw would be able to go into the hole, and this would be able to hold the front down using these brackets. You see what I'm saying? The part over here was all cracked, and putting the screw in there, the front would be loose. It wouldn't be able to hold the screws. But if you make the brackets right, it'll keep the front down, and the back actually fits too. So this Recoil starter actually works. So we're going to see how that works out. So I just put some of the basics on there just to pull it, see if it started, and I primered it, started in like 2 pulls. Runs good too. Honestly, that was a very easy fix. I'm going to put everything together now. Just put everything back together again. Looks good. Runs smooth. Doesn't wobble. Runs really smooth, man. Nice. It's a very easy fix. Got it for free. And I'm gonna power wash it and clean it up a little bit, and list it for 125 because it has the bagger, and no rust or anything. It looks good. Anyway, that was an easy fix, and lucky to have some parts with it. And see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.